This isn't a typical creation. It wasn't built by Google, yet it might surpass anything you've ever encountered. Crafted by an unexpected contender in the AI arena, a rising titan, it's redefining the rules of the game. The user interface has undergone a major update, and more importantly, I've pinpointed the exact reason why the trick didn't work for some of you. Welcome if you're new here. This is the ultimate guide to unlocking this tool for free. And if you caught my previous video, you definitely don't want to miss this one. It's the revised, foolproof strategy that will fix any issues you encountered. To show you it's all legit, I'm using a fresh Google account. The mission is clear. By the time this video ends, you'll have this trick working perfectly. Since I'm dedicating all this effort to ensuring your success, a quick subscribe, like, and bell notification would be greatly appreciated. It's free and helps me keep delivering top-tier content like this. Now, let's dive right in. The Generator interface has had a few updates, so make sure you're paying close attention. This is the only guide you'll need. First things first, the VPN and a crucial fix. This step is the key and the main reason the trick didn't work for some of you last time. In my previous video, I mentioned that any African country could work. Turns out I was mistaken. After reviewing your feedback and running more tests, I can now confirm that Nigeria is the one country that works flawlessly every single time. Alright, first, fire up your VPN. I'm using NordVPN, links down below, and connect it to Nigeria. Next up, it's time for a fresh account. With your Nigerian connection active, head over to Generator, click the top right corner, and create a brand new account. Here's my pro tip. Use a Google account that's never been registered on Generator before. That's the smoothest way. You can even enter a fake birthday if you like. Close any pop-ups, and you should spot the magic signal. 0 credits. If you see that, you're on the right path. Now comes the step where most people get stuck. You'll notice the generator is locked. That's intentional. To unlock it, go back to your VPN and switch your location to the United Kingdom. Here's the second key part of the winning combination. Switch your VPN to the UK, return to the Generator page, and hit refresh. Just like that, the platform unlocks. And to answer a common question, do you always need the VPN on? Not at all. It's only required for this initial setup. Once you're on the generator page, you can safely turn off the VPN, and everything will continue to work flawlessly. Now that we're all set up, I'll take you through some amazing examples step by step. Stick around until the end of these demos, because I'll be sharing essential tips to ensure this trick works perfectly for you in the long run. Let's start with your tools. Choose from the 2 video models available. Always go for the newest option, with a duration of 5 to 10 seconds. And feel free to select any aspect ratio. Keep in mind, prompts are limited to 1,000 characters, so make them detailed yet concise. Let's kick things off with a stunning creation. A petite red fox rests serenely on a moss-covered log in an ancient forest at the break of dawn. Wisps of mist swirl around towering pine trees as the first light of day filters through the foliage. The fox, its fur damp with morning dew, tilts its head with a quiet curiosity. The coherence between the characters and the environment here is absolutely exceptional. A lone bear stands at the rim of a vast canyon as the sun begins to rise, the wind softly rustling through its thick fur. Cut 2. A lively Moroccan bazaar, vibrant spices stacked in neat mounds, vendors haggling with animated gestures. Cut 2. A tranquil moonlit desert with a glowing campfire, the faint shapes of camels moving in the distance. A group of adventurers, bundled in thick thermal clothing, makes their way across a vast, snow-covered plateau beneath a soft lavender sky. Ice forms on their hoods as they drag heavy sleds through the biting cold. Cut 2. Inside a warm, flickering tent, the explorers huddle around a glowing lantern, poring over a map and planning their next move, their breaths visible in the frosty air. Cut 2. A team of sled dogs dashes across a frozen lake at dawn, their paws kicking up snow in sparkling trails. Now, I want to be completely honest with you, these models aren't flawless. Sometimes you'll encounter glitches and strange artifacts. It happens. That's just how AI works. The trick is knowing when to simply try again. On the second attempt, it usually comes out flawless. Don't let a single failure discourage you. Now that we have this amazing clip, let's enhance it with some custom sound. Select the video, then press Generate Soundtrack and choose Customize. You'll see a range of options: cinematic, epic, ambient. For a Mars rover scene, cinematic is the clear winner. Click Generate, and just like that, the entire atmosphere transforms. Finally, regarding this trick, some have worried that sharing it might lead to it being patched. Maybe, but I firmly believe in sharing these discoveries. For anyone who thought I was trying to mislead you, I hope this video shows that my only goal is to help everyone gain access to these incredible tools. If it ever stops working, I'll update the pinned comment with the fix. That's it, everything covered. I hope this ultimate guide has answered all your questions. If you found it helpful, a final like and subscribe would mean the world to me. Thank you for your amazing support, and I'll see you in the next video.